How to cancel Propstream subscription. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription on Propstream. Now, unfortunately, you will not be able to see this specific feature on the website or on the application itself. So what you're going to be doing instead is you can head straight into their official website, and then you can scroll all the way down like so. And then under links, just simply click on contact us. You will automatically be redirected into their customer tab. So all you have to do here to get in touch with them is to fill out your first name, last name, company name if you have. Basically, just fill out all these details or fields right here. And then for the reason is just simply choose on cancellation. So, and then just choose on agreeing this specific button right here. Then proceed on by entering a CAPTCHA. Now, again, this is the only way for you to be able to get your account or subscription be canceled by sending a request. And that's it. That's how you cancel PropStream subscription.